In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manipulate clip art in Sketchpad. Whether you're looking to enhance your creative projects or simply experiment with digital art, Sketchpad provides a straightforward platform to work on. By the end of this video, you will feel confident importing images, transforming them into clip art, and saving your work with ease. To begin, open your web browser and head to sketchpad.app.in. Sketchpad is a user-friendly online tool that doesn't require any downloads, so it's accessible from any device with an internet connection. Once you're on the home page, you're ready to start your creative journey. Next, you'll want to import your image. Look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a vertical toolbar. Among those icons, there's a folder icon near the bottom. Click on it to open the import menu. Here, you'll see the option to import an image. Go ahead and select that. This is your gateway to bringing external images into your Sketchpad workspace. Now that you've selected Import, a file browser window will pop up. This is where you'll choose the image you'd like to transform into clip art. Ensure that your image is in a compatible format like JPG or PNG. Once you've chosen your image, click Open. This action will upload it to your canvas. Your selected image should now appear on a checkerboard patterned canvas within Sketchpad. This is a visual indicator of transparency, which means that any background you add or don't add will remain intentional. You can resize your image by dragging the corner handles, allowing great flexibility to fit your design needs. You can also click and drag your image anywhere on the canvas, offering the freedom to position it just the way you like. Once your image is placed, treat it as you would any piece of clip art. It's ready for any creative modifications you have in mind. You might want to duplicate it, and you can do this quickly with a simple Ctrl+C to copy and Ctrl+V to paste. If your image is in a PNG or SVG format, resizing it won't affect its quality, maintaining the details of your clip art. Moreover, you can combine this image with other elements like shapes, text, or additional clip art from Sketchpad's rich library, enriching your overall design. Finally, saving your work is crucial. To do this, click the floppy disk icon on the left toolbar. You can then export your masterpiece in the format of your choice. If you want to retain any transparency, exporting as a PNG is your best bet. Alternatively, a JPG might suit your needs if transparency isn't required. This will save your file ready to share or integrate into other projects. And there you have it, a quick and effective method to create clip art using Sketchpad. We hope you enjoy experimenting with this versatile tool and bring your digital ideas to life.